Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x plus xy plus y. This is equal to 54. So what is the value of x plus y? Given that x and y, these are members of integers. Now, let's provide a solution from here. So we have x plus xy plus y. This is equal to 54. Now, from the first part here, we have that x is common. So we have x into the parentheses. This is 1 plus y, then plus y. This is equal to 54. Now, here we have 1 plus y, but here we have y. So we need to have a factor of 1 plus y on this side here. So this implies that we add 1 here, and that in that case, we have to add 1 on the right hand side. So that we have x into the parentheses. This is 1 plus y plus, now here we have y plus 1. This is equal to 54 plus 1. This is 55. Now, we have x into the parentheses. This is 1 plus y. We have 1 is common here, so we can factor out 1. Then here we have 1 plus y. This is equal to 55. Okay. Now, 1 plus y is common here. So this is 1 plus y into the parentheses. This is x plus 1. And this is equal to 55. The next step is to determine the prime factors of 55, where we have 55 multiplied by 1. Then we have 1 multiplied by 55. Then we have 11 multiplied by 5. Then we have 5 multiplied by 11. So let's call this case 1, this case 2, this case 3, and case 4. Now let's start with case 1 here. We have case 1. Case 1, we have 1 plus y multiplied by x plus 1. This is equal to 55 times 1. Now this implies that we have 1 plus y. This is equal to 55. And we have x plus 1. This is equal to 1. So from here, we have that y is equal to 55. Subtract 1, and this is equal to 54. We have y is equal to 54. Now here we have x is equal to 1, subtract 1, and this is equal to 0. So the question is, what is x plus y? And this is equal to, we have 0 plus 54, and this is equal to 54. So x plus y in case 1, this is equal to 54. Now in case 2, we have 1 plus y multiplied by x plus 1. This is equal to 1 multiplied by 55. So this is 1 plus y. This is equal to 1. And then x plus 1. This is equal to 55. So from the first part here, we have y is equal to 1 subtract 1. And this is equal to 0. Now here we have x is equal to 55. Subtract 1. And this is equal to 54. So again, x plus y will be equal to 0 plus 54, and this is equal to 54. Now, case 1 and case 2, we have x plus y is equal to 54. Now, let's proceed to case 3. We have x plus y. No, that is x plus 1. And here we have 1 plus y. This is equal to 11 times 5. So this means that 1 plus y, this is equal to 11, and x plus 1, this is equal to 5. So from the first part here, we have y is equal to 11 minus 1, and this is equal to 10. On the second case here, we have the value of x equal to 5 minus 1, and this is equal to 4. So this implies that we have x plus y. This is equal to 10 plus 4, and this is equal to 14. So this is case 3. So let's proceed to case 4. Now in case 4, we have 1 plus y multiplied by x plus 1. This is equal to 5 multiplied by 11. So we have 1 plus y. This is equal to 5. And we have x plus 1. This is equal to 11. So here we have y is equal to 5, subtract 1. And this means that y is equal to 4. Here we have x will be equal to 11, subtract 1. And this implies that x will be equal to 11 minus 1, which is 10. So this is to mean that x plus y, this is equal to 10 plus 4, and this is equal to 14. Now, let's check if x and y, let's check x equal to 10 and y equal to 4, if this satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have x plus xy plus y. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. Now, x is equal to 10. So this is 10 plus 10 times y, which is 4. Then plus y, which is 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. So this is 10 plus, now this is 10 times 4. This is 40. Then plus 4. This should give us a value of 54. Now, 40 plus 10, this is 40. 40 plus 10, this is 50, plus 4, this is 54. So we have 54 is equal to 54. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this means that x and y satisfies the equation. Kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.